This naturalrefrigerants.com article is being read by an automated voice. Elemental London. Commercial R290 heat pumps. Highlight HVAC offering by Christina Hayes. Published November 24th, 2025. Commercial propane heat pumps were a major feature of this year's Elemental London trade show, with at least 8 manufacturers presenting units designed to meet rising demand for future-proof HVAC technologies in the face of tightening F-gas regulations and proposed PFAS, per and polyfluoroalkyl, substances restrictions. Offering flow temperatures of 60 to 80 degrees Celsius, 140 to 176 degrees Fahrenheit, the units offer efficient alternatives to fossil fuel boilers as UK end users accelerate their decarbonization efforts, according to the manufacturers that spoke with naturalrefrigerants.com at the exhibition. Italian manufacturer Euroclimat also presented its isobutane-based commercial heat pump, which can provide hot water temperatures up to 110 degrees Celsius, 230 degrees Fahrenheit. Beyond commercial applications, several exhibitors also presented smaller residential R290 heat pump units. Elemental London was held November 19th to 20th in London and focused on showcasing solutions for reducing energy use and carbon emissions in commercial and large-scale residential buildings. Dethermina. Relative newcomer Dethermina, founded in 2023, introduced its A-Therm 80 heat pump and A-Combo 80 heat pump chiller at the show. The units reach up to 80 degrees Celsius water temperatures with ambient operation down to minus 20 degrees Celsius, minus 4 degrees Fahrenheit, providing a true like-for-like boiler replacement, according to a company representative. Using a redesigned 40-bar, 580 pounds per square inch, compressor and inverter drive, the units deliver 30 to 300 kilowatts per module and up to 900 kilowatts in cascade. The 4-pipe design of the A-Combo 80 heat pump chiller supports simultaneous heating and cooling. It also enables heat recovery, which is a key efficiency and cost benefit in markets like the UK, where the higher cost of electricity compared to gas makes the electrification of heat expensive, explained Gary Broadbent, Operations Director at Pure Thermal, Dethermina's UK distribution partner. The UK was chosen as the launch market due to its strong potential, the Dethermina representative noted, adding that testing is complete and the units are available now. Ariston Group. Ariston Group gave an early look at its new Elco Aerotop Evo P commercial R290 heat pump, scheduled for release in YSO2 2026. The range covers heating capacities of 24 to 105 kilowatts and allows up to 8 units in cascade with a compact V-shaped design to reduce footprint, delivering 60 to 70 degrees Celsius, 140 to 158 degrees Fahrenheit, flow temperatures. The system is positioned as a strong option for retrofit applications requiring higher water temperatures while still being suitable for new build installations. The UK remains 3 to 5 years behind continental Europe due to slower regulations but is now seeing stable demand, according to Hans Bonson, Senior Sales Manager at Ariston UK. Contractors are specifically requesting natural refrigerant solutions, he said. Ariston also showed 2 residential R290 units, including a monoblock model and the compact Nuos hot water heat pump for apartments, launching in early 2026. Mitsubishi Electric revealed its upcoming EcoDan CAHVZR 290 commercial air source heat pump, launching globally in summer 2026. The modular 40 kilowatt units can be cascaded up to 280 kilowatts and deliver up to 75 degrees Celsius, 167 degrees Fahrenheit, outlet temperatures and ambient conditions down to minus 15 degrees Celsius, 5 degrees Fahrenheit. The heat pump can provide cooling in addition to heating and hot water. The development was driven by rising demand for natural refrigerants ahead of tightening F-gas and PFAS-related regulations, according to Samira Saravi, product manager at Mitsubishi Electric Europe. Mitsubishi Electric also unveiled 2 new residential R290 heat pumps, 6 kilowatts and 7.1 kilowatts, scheduled for release this winter. Rinnai UK launched its commercial and industrial R290 range spanning 40 to 410 kilowatts, with a focus on high-temperature hot water production. R290 was chosen for its technical capabilities, with the fact that it's a natural refrigerant being an added bonus, explained Chris Goggin, Operations Director at Rinnai UK. Rinnai emphasized the importance of seasonal performance factors, SPF, urging users to evaluate entire system efficiency, including cylinders and other ancillary equipment, rather than focusing solely on the heat pump unit. Goggin also confirmed the company's plans to expand into CO2, with a CO2-based heat pump to come in 2026. Dimplex showcased its Latitude R290 commercial air-to-water heat pump, available in 20 kilowatt and 40 kilowatt versions. Both are new to the UK market but have been available in Germany for around a year. The company plans to launch a 30 kilowatt model in 2026, according to Phil Terry, area sales manager at Ability by Dimplex. The heat pump can provide heating, cooling, and hot water, and up to 14 units can be cascaded for larger installations. Conversations are already underway with major end users, including the heritage and nature conservation charity National Trust and supermarket chain Co-op, Terry told naturalrefrigerants.com. Dimplex also presented an R290 domestic hot water heat pump and confirmed that an R290 version of its Zeroth heat pump for ambient loop systems is in development. Mikrofill introduced its RenewAIR R290 commercial hot water heat pump, marking both the company's first R290 product and its first heat pump offering. Available immediately, the range spans 15 to 50 kilowatts and supports up to 7 units in cascade. The units were developed in direct response to customer demand, particularly from buyers of Mikrofill's hot water cylinders, who were seeking matching natural refrigerant heat pump technology. The system targets both retrofit and new projects, with Mikrofill noting that 2,900 Rand is where the market is going. Panasonic featured its Big Aquaria T-Cap M Series and Big Aquaria M Series outdoor unit, both engineered around Panasonic-made compressors and controls. Available in the UK for around a year, the systems can reach up to 300 kilowatts in cascade. Panasonic's RAC Solo indoor-only air conditioning and heat unit was also showcased, with smaller capacities using R290. Lochinvar presented its Amicus Altus R, 292 pipe and 4 pipe commercial heat pumps, available in 88 kilowatts and 112 kilowatts capacities, with the ability to install up to 10 units in cascade. Offering up to 75 degrees Celsius outlet temperatures and operation in ambient temperatures down to minus 20 degrees Celsius, the system is designed for heating, cooling, and hot water. Launched in 2024, more than 100 units have been installed to date, according to James Cooper, renewables manager at Lochinvar, noting that regulations have been a major driver of R290 development. Lochinvar also plans to introduce an R290 chiller next year and a new 40 kilowatt model of its Amicus Altus heat pump. The UK and Ireland remain the company's strongest markets, and Cooper highlighted Scotland as a proactive adopter of heat pumps.